Hey guys, I want to show you a new plugin called UberOptin, and as you see, I have a WordPress blog set up here, and let's just go ahead and jump into the site in mid area, and we have WordPress, the latest version of WordPress going here. We've already installed the UberOptin plugin, so let's just go ahead and jump into one of the pages we already have created. As you can see, you can create unlimited pages. So as you see, we have the admin options panel right here. So we have the main settings, background and design, the autoresponder settings, and a variety of box styles that we can choose from. So let's just go ahead and see what this looks like for what we have right now. As you can see, we have the white background because there's nothing added there. We have our headline, our subheadline, and our text, as well as the call to action button and our footer text. So as you can see, there's this little arrow that's following the mouse around, and that is telling them to click on that button. So once they do click on that button, it's going to show them the autoresponder form code, which looks very pretty. So we don't want to show them to that right away. We want to take them through the steps. Let's just reload that. So they won't be scared of opting in. They'll just worry about what it says, and if they're interested, they'll click on this. And once they've already clicked on that, they're almost 100% guaranteed to add their username in there. So let's go ahead and make this a little different. So we can add our logo. Just go ahead and add any URL to our logo image. We have our headline, our subheadline, and a blurb. We have the button text, and we can choose what the button color is. So let's just go ahead and change it to a green. We have our footer text, and once we update that, let's go ahead and refresh our page. You can see we have our logo now, and the button has changed. So that's pretty simple so far, but let's go ahead and see some fun happen. So right here we can choose between the YouTube video ID or multiple background images that will fade in between each other. Let's just go ahead and use this example video that we have right here. Copy that and paste it in here, and go ahead and click on update. And once we do that, we'll see that we have the YouTube video starts playing in the background right here. And we still have that little floating arrow telling them what to do. So once they get to this page, they're going to stop and look at it and enjoy. And depending on the video that you have in the background, you can really get their attention. So let's go back and change some more things. So let's just go ahead and jump to the autoresponder settings. So this would be the headline, our subheadline, and the button text, which clicks for the sign up. We can go ahead and choose the different color as well. We'll just go ahead with an orange. We'll have the spam text, and right here we have our autoresponder code. This is a simple form that is from any autoresponder. It has to make sure that it has a name and username. Name and email box, otherwise it won't work. So you need to have that both set up. Just go ahead and show you. And once they click here to subscribe, they will be redirected, and it did not like that because it knows that it's not real. So let's just go ahead and say this is real. And we're almost done. We just had to activate our subscription. And this will work with any autoresponder code. You just go ahead and paste it inside of there. And now we can make it a little bit more fun. We can choose between the first box background and the second box background. So let's just go ahead and change this one to a blue. And we'll go ahead with the dark wood texture. So let's see how that affects our page. As you can see here, we got the first little box that is blue. It's standing out from the background here. And this is in white so that you can actually have this stand out as well. We click on that, and then we have our dark wood texture in the background. And it's that easy to go ahead and change, and we have a few more options in here. We can go ahead and take the video out. Let's go ahead and add some images that I already have going here. And we'll go ahead and update that. And the video will no longer play. In fact, let's just go back and change these styles about. So we're going to go for a black and then a red. And as you can see, we go ahead and change that. So we have a, let's go ahead and change it to a blue button color. And as well, on our autoresponder settings, let's go ahead and change that to a light blue. And once we reload our page, it'll show us the background here with our black style that we've chosen. And we have a few images that are going to fade in and out from the background. And then we have the urgency of the red to let them do the next thing that they need to do, which is sign up. As you can see, you can create these pages super quickly and very fast. And it's super fun to do. It only takes you a few seconds and you will see your conversion rate increase. Thank you very much for watching.